Officers respond to a distress call about a man attempting to force his way into a business despite being told to leave. When they arrive, they find Connor, a young man displaying strange and uncooperative behavior. What happens next turns into a tense encounter.
No. Knock it off. They don't fucking want you here, dude. Chill.
Excuse me.
No, you're not getting in here. Stop. They don't want you in the business. You're not coming in the business. Back off.
The officers attempt to speak with Connor, but he refuses to answer their questions. He stands silently, ignoring commands, and continues to push against the door, trying to get inside.
I don't work here. They don't want you here. What do you have in there? Bro, stop. Relax. What's in here that you need? What's in here that you need? They don't want you here. Are you going to talk to me? I can't help you unless you tell me what you need. What do you need? Are you going to tell me? Or you're just going to stand here? Okay.
Despite repeated warnings, Connor refuses to engage. The officers remind him that he is trespassing and must leave immediately, but he remains fixated on the entrance.
Bro, they're not going to let you in. They're trespassing you. You're not allowed to come back here. Hey, what's going on? You're not coming in here, so don't even try that shit. No. Knock it off. They don't fucking want you here, dude. Chill.
Excuse me.
No, you're not getting in here. Stop. They don't want you in the business. You're not coming in the business. Back off. You're not coming in here. Go away. What? You're not allowed in here. You're trespassing. I'm telling you right now, if you walk into this door, you're going to get arrested. Do you understand that? You're going to be arrested for trespass after warning. Do you understand? They want you trespass. They don't want you here. If you walk in here, you're going to jail. You understand that? So back off of the door and tell me what you need. Back off of the door and what do you need?
Can you open?
No, I'm not going to open the door. You're not communicating with me. You're not telling me what you need. They don't fucking want you here. So what's the problem?
As tensions rise, Connor's bizarre behavior raises concerns. He refuses to acknowledge the officers, making it impossible for them to determine if he is intoxicated, under the influence, or experiencing a mental health crisis.
Yo, do you not hear me? I'm like talking to you. Are you guys got me? Hello?
They want you trespassed, so you have to leave. If you don't leave, you'll get arrested.
Let me talk to you real quick. Let me talk to you. What's your name? Did you not hear the other officer, or you're just deaf, man? You just talk to me? I'm talking to you person to person, bro. Just tell me what you want. No, I'm standing here now. You're not, excuse me? Yeah, exactly. So you can talk.
Moments later, Connor's girlfriend arrives on the scene, visibly upset. She explains that he has been acting unpredictably all day, adding another layer of complexity to the situation.
Does anybody know him? I'm gonna lock it so he doesn't try to come back. Who owns this place, or is it? Yeah, what? Any idea?
Yeah, I mean, he's not old enough to, like, buy certain things.
Did he give you an ID or anything?
No, but we weren't even there yet, you know.
Okay.
He didn't get to even buy anything or anything. He just...
And you want him trespass, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 18 months?
Sure.
Okay. That's the longest we're allowed to do, up to 18 months?
I appreciate
No,
it.
I mean, you saw it. You just, like, pushed him to me, trying to get
I was like,
scared. Is this guy for real?
Yeah,
but I don't
He hasn't
know.
been saying anything.
I don't know what he's like. I think he might have... You didn't see... He didn't drink it or take anything here, right?
It seems like he was on like
No,
or
not-
something. Because I'm like, why are you acting so like he's just like silent and just keep pushing?
Oh,
through
he had
it,
a
like,
girlfriend with him.
Oh yeah, his girlfriend was like
He
she was
made
like
her
crying.
cry.
Where was she at?
He made
She
her
was
cry
here,
when she left.
but then she left.
Do y'all know her by any chance?
Oh, no, she went that way. She was like crying earlier, someone said.
She wanted to, like, us to let her in.
Sure.
I was just like,
She
you
was
guys
more
both
so
gotta
like yeah,
go.
trying to get him.
What is he claiming he left in here that y'all know of?
No, he didn't leave, actually. He's got nothing.
Well, look, I just told him that he's trespassed. And I told him if he comes in here, he's going to jail, and he said he knew, so I'm going to let them talk to him, stay here for a minute, and then I'll walk out. And then when I walk out, one of y'all will lock the door, and...
Like, I even tried being like, yo, let's talk, bro. Like, what is it that you have? And he
So
just
weird.
ignored, like, white face kept going. Not a single
After several more attempts to de-escalate, officers issue an official trespass warning, banning Connor from the business for 18 months. If he returns, he will be arrested immediately.
All right, you are now being trespassed from the plaza for 18 months. If you don't leave right now, you will be arrested for trespassing after warning. Is that understood? Go ahead and leave.
Do you want to leave in handcuffs, man, or not? This is like, okay, well, it's gonna happen. Do you want metal on your wrist right now? It's good. It's not gonna be comfortable.
Instead of leaving, Connor lingers outside the business. He starts pulling on door handles, ignoring repeated commands. This forces officers to take action.
Back here under arrest for trespassing. Put your hands behind your back for trespassing.
Lock this, okay?
Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Yeah, that was trespassing. No ID, nothing got no property in there. Stop fucking around.
You got any weapons on you?
15, reference 51.
You have any weapons on you?
You want me to the car?
Now you want to talk to me, man?
Where'd the owner go? I need his license.
Hey, Paul.
If he comes back like later, he's trespassed up to 18 months. Every time he comes back here and walks in this door, he goes to jail.
Crazy.
Charlie 415-693-944050. You want to use this business number as the phone to get a hold of you, or you want to use your
Yeah, it's
cell
my
phone?
personal number.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, well, if the chick comes back and starts causing issues or whatever, call us back. We'll go through the same process. But he's going to jail for trespass after warning because he's lingering around the property, refusing to leave, refusing to talk to us. So, sorry you guys had to go through it. Y'all have a good one. You can leave this unlocked now. I think you're safe.
Thank you.
Thanks, y'all.
Have a seat.
Face me and just have a seat. Put your butt in the seat. There you go. Have a seat. Fine, have a seat. Can I have a seat?
Can you uncuff me, man?
Sit in the car or we'll make you sit.
Connor resists as officers attempt to detain him. He refuses to sit in the patrol car, making the arrest even more difficult.
Can I have a seat?
Can you uncuff me, man?
Sit in the car or we'll make you sit.
Connor,
Swing your feet in.
What's
Connor, behave, okay?
You are going down to the county jail.
You hear me?
Did you have all your property with you? Do you want
unbuckle me?
Do you want to
Connor, you need to respect the police, period.
Do you want
You got yourself in
You
some trouble.
see, he's
You want
just,
to
he's
go with you down to county?
Connor, look at me.
Go with the gentleman behind.
Connor, you need to respect the police, bro.
back up a little bit.
You're an adult, you're of age, you're getting arrested. You hear me? Just knock it out, sit back, and it's going to go easier on you. You keep messing with them, you're going to make it worse for you. You understand that? You're going to go, you're going to get booked, you'll be out. You do any more stupid stuff, you're going to get charged with more stuff. You understand how it works? You understand that, Connor? Listen to me, bro.
Do you want your property to go with him? Or do you want it to go with him?
All right.
Connor,
He's
you're
done,
going-
he's done,
just
he's done,
Take
he's
his
done.
property. You try. Now, Bill, stay in the car. That's my daughter.
What's the deal with him?
I have no idea. My daughter's Connor,
No, don't talk to him.
I want to see if it's okay.
He's fine. It's just
What's going on with him?
you got a test kit.
I'm a friend of his mother.
Yeah, he's just ignoring us.
Connor was officially charged with trespassing and resisting arrest. His case serves as a reminder of the challenges officers face daily. What do you think? Was this handled correctly? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-life law enforcement.